Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another dekitting. I'm going to be dekitting my small 15 by 20 Meian diamond painting. They already did come in the bags, and these are actually the same size bags. So hopefully some of these I could just put in here if it's a new one. But I am also not really dekitting, but putting away these diamonds. As you can see, I have a large amount of them. What happened was one of the diamond paintings I ordered, I did record the unboxing, but I haven't posted that up yet because I'm waiting for the replacement drills. But I realized very early on when the numbers weren't matching, the DMC numbers weren't matching, that they gave me the wrong bag of drills. And then when I looked at, like, you might notice on some diamond paintings, they put in this number on the bag, like this item number completely different, and it's a 50 by 70, and mine was not a 50 by 70, mine was a 45 by 60 too. So yeah, I did contact the seller, and they gave me a tracking number, said they sent out the drills again. So I haven't gotten them yet, so I'm not posting my unboxing of that diamond painting until I get that, just so that everything's resolved. But in the meantime, I have a 50 by 70 diamond painting worth of drills that I'm going to also be putting away. I'm not going to completely do all of this in real time, but I will do maybe the first 2 or 3 so you can see my process, and then the rest will be a time lapse. Okay, so first number 159. Oh, hey, look, this other one is 159 too. So hey, that works. 159. And I'm using these what do you call that? Photo boxes to put the stuff away. Okay, I already have 2 bags for 159. And I am, wow, okay. They match number 1. This other one is really off. Like, look, like this one is blue, this one is more of a gray. Okay, but these 2, yep, they match. I think they match enough. They're a little, no, this other one is a lot brighter. I actually think these are like 3 different shades. This matches. And this one is, they're close enough. I'm just gonna mix them. And I think I'm just going to transfer all of them to this one, just because this one already has the 159 in there on the baggie, and it's the same size as what I currently use, so it's like a double. Okay, how easy is it to pour from the baggies into another baggie? Okay, that's actually not that easy. So I think I might just pour it onto my tray. And there you go. And then this one, let's see if I could pour it in. I was actually very tempted, like this diamond painting where I got the wrong drills. I was tempted to ask the seller. I was like, "So what painting is it? Can you just send me that one? Because it just seems like a waste to have all of these drills." But I was like, you know what? I'll just put in my stash, and I'm hoping that they are true to their word that they sent me the replacement drills. I do have the tracking number for it, but it's not anywhere near me yet, so who knows when I'll get it. Okay, so number 2. Hey, look, they're both 161 also. I wonder if these are just really common colors. Okay, 161. Square petrol. So let's see. Am I gonna mix them? This one seems to match, and this one, yeah, see, this is the hardest part is, do I mix slight variances in shade, or do I separate them? I think the fact that I'm having such a hard time determining whether to mix them, I think I'm going to mix them because I think they all look very similar, but with just very slight differences. So, okay, I'm going to see if I can do this pouring. You usually don't have this many left over because, you know, see, now I'm getting down whole diamond painting worth, and I mean, with just this 310, I think, and then I have like a massive bag of 890. I think I'm going to be filling up a couple bags with these things. Yeah, no, those are all the same color. Okay, I think you get the gist of what I'm doing. So the rest of this, I'm going to do it on a time lapse with some music, and I'll be back at the end of the video. All right.